Hey, it's Mark Davis from simplysharpflorida.com, and hey, we're just going to do some standard detachable clipper blades, A5 clipper blades. People send me their shipment in a little box, and if you're going to do that, this is what you do. It's real simple. Just wrap your blades up in the paper. Put them in there, make sure it doesn't rattle around. And then once I get them sharpened, I'll rewrap them and ship them back to you. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is give these clipper blades a quick inspection. What we're looking for is any broken parts, broken teeth, broken combs. That one's fine. Sometimes these are rusted solid, can't do anything with those. This particular cutter, if you can, wow. See, that's, whoever did this last, they adjusted that cutter up above the comb. My finger sticks to it. This would rip you wide open if you not good for the animal. So this one is right up there too. This one here has got the right setback, and you just want a little bit of setback so you don't cut into skin. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is disassemble these after inspection, of course. This is typically what you get. Pretty dirty. You can see everything's just kind of nasty in there, so we'll just clean that up. Sometimes this can take quite a bit of time, so we're not going to go through all these blades in this video. I'm just going to show you just this one. So there's several parts in here. Sometimes they need to be replaced. We keep all the parts in stock. I'm going to give this a little wire. Basically just want to clean these up. This one's a little bit rusty. A lot of times these little guides get broken or they get slivered. We replace those. This is a socket, and this is the spring. So when these are all back together, they look like this. And they just snap right onto your clipper, and away you go. So okay, so we got these cleaned up. We disassembled them, cleaned them up, and now we're ready to sharpen. So we're going to check them out. They look pretty good. I'm going to rerun them. Just because this one had a lot of rust on it, it's got a little bit of pitting. We'll try to get that removed. take a look here. Okay, I don't know if you can see this or not, but now we got a very nice grind all the way to the tip of the comb and the back rail. And we're going to take a look at our cutter. As you can see, that's very sharp. Okay, now let's get these, we're going to clean off the debris, we're going to demagnetize these and then reassemble. Okay, now that we have them demagnetized, I'm going to deburr them very gently. Doesn't take much. Once they're sharp, you don't want to bang them around. You want to be pretty gentle with them. We're going to check the socket first. This tool, yep, it's fine. Sometimes they get loose, and if they do, they'll rattle in your clipper. If you hear your clipper blade rattling a lot, it's because your socket's bent or loose. You can replace them. We're going to put this together. Put the guide back on. Now we're going to tighten this spring up a little bit because we took some metal off of the comb and cutter. So we're going to tighten it down and then adjust it as we go. We're going to adjust it back up a lot easier than we can take it all back apart to tighten it back down. But it's an assembly tool, so you can do it by hand, but it's just not that much fun. I see a problem already. This happens a lot. The guide falls off as you're putting them together. Try to make this so you can see. There we go. So now it's laying on there, so we're gonna, this holds it down while we're making our adjustment. We're trying to get the blade even, set back and even from rail to, from end to end. So sometimes they just pop into place, and sometimes I struggle with these for quite a while because I like to have them pretty exact. Like I mentioned on my last video, I'm not in a race to do these. I'm not trying to beat records or be faster than the other sharpener. I really don't care about that. What I care most about is that I was done right. Okay, that looks really good. Okay, so now we're going to check the tension on it. It's very stiff, so we're going to have to loosen that up. Okay, we got it right there. You see where that that marker is? It's just where we want it. That's right on the green line. So if it can be right on the green line or just a little bit above, that's good. So now if this is all, the tension is perfect on this, now we can go ahead and double check our setback. Sometimes when you're messing around with the tension, that throws that off. This looks good. Now we're just going to reassemble this, tighten it down with the screws, I mean. there we have it. Now it's all back in place, looks good, feels perfect actually. So, but let's see how it cuts. That's the most important part, right? And these just snap in. So it makes them so nice. Two speeds, low, fast. Let's try this on the high end. That's perfect. That's just what we want. Now we'll try it on the low. Yep, that's just right. That's what we're looking for, guys. So anyway, if you're doing your own sharpening and you run into some snags, sometimes you watch the video and everybody's going so fast and everything's done perfectly and there's never any problems. Trust me, you're gonna run into a lot of problems, a lot of snags, and things that are just gonna slow you down. Just expect it, and when you run into it, just work your way through it, and just keep working at it, and eventually you'll get it. And once you have it, then now next step will be, of course, this pet groomer sent other blades. I'll get all those sharpened, then I'll wrap everything up, and I'll put it in a new box because the box she sent this over here so many times, just getting kind of wore out. So I'll put it in a new box, ship it back to her. And if you need any more information, my name's Mark Davis. SimplySharpFlorida.com. You can get a hold of me there. You can call me. You can email me. Ship your sharpening to me. I do pet groomer clipper blades. I do wall 5-in-1 clipper blades. They're adjustable blades. And of course I do shears. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. Bye now.